Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the video. I hope everybody had an amazing Christmas. But today, this is Sunday before Christmas. But today, I'm gonna go pick up another four-wheeler. We just dropped off the rancher last night, and I got a call about another one that a family member once worked on. So we're gonna, once I get Tuesday's video uploading, we're gonna head and go get that, and I will keep you guys updated. Okay guys, so we are on the way to Stuttgart, but I figured what not else to take your pup to Taco Bell and get some Taco Bell breakfast at 9 o'clock in the morning. But I'm gonna get this, go back home and grab some straps and stuff, and we're gonna head that way. Alright guys, here we are in Stuttgart, sitting on the side of the road, and we got a little Yamaha back here. Y'all can see that. He's got a little seat cover on, we're taking that off for going down the road. But I'll update y'all when we get home. We think it needs a rear end, but we're gonna look at it and see, of course, so I'll keep y'all updated. Cold start for you guys. Like I said, you know, not bad. But I'm gonna go, first I'm gonna roll my window up. But I'm gonna go down there, hook up the trailer, because if you guys seen yesterday, it'll be in the beginning of this video. But yesterday we went and picked up another four-wheeler that I'm going to be working on. So I'm gonna go hook up the trailer, and I already got it loaded on the trailer. So I'm gonna go hook up the trailer and take it and get it washed up, and then start tearing it down. So I'm gonna go down there and I'll get with you guys here in a minute. Okay guys, so if you guys are wondering what I do about my hitch setup here, I normally have the Gen Y hitch step in the middle level here. All I do is I take it out, flip it over, drop it down one notch, just down one notch, and flip it back around, put it there, and then I put my tri-ball in the center. This hitch, being a 10-inch drop, it has 5 different slots. I put this in the 3rd slot. So, and with the step here, you can still use the step. You know, ain't no big issue. So, also another thing that I have found out with this Gen Y hitch is I had to extend my ground wire. It says blue wire right here. I had to extend my ground wire and the harness on the trailer, and my safety chains aren't long enough, so I have to hook it to the hitch. So, but I'm gonna get the hitch or the trailer hooked up and all that. But here's the four-wheeler. Brand new tires on the front of it. I did not buy it. Still got the sticker on the tires, brand new. But this is a family member's, so I'm gonna try to get it going back for him. Same thing as the rancher, you know, it won't pull in gear. The back tires just quiver. So I believe it's probably gonna be the rear axle or the rear the diff. So I'm gonna turn into this today and see what I can find. Tomorrow is Christmas, so I'm going to be here, there, and everywhere. So I'm gonna try to get some of this done today and see what we can figure out. And also guys, one thing I did learn, a little life hack here. If you own a GoPro, you can download the GoPro app on your iPhone, or I guess whatever phone you have, and then for when I'm backing up to the trailer, I can set up my well, that's kind of anyways, you can set up this on your phone, set the camera on the bumper, and watch. So if I set the camera right there, I can watch my what I'm doing on my phone, if y'all can see that. So I'm going to shut the camera off, that way I can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to get backed up to the trailer. So as you guys can see, you know, you can get pretty close with it by doing that. Now I stopped because the trailer isn't high enough to clear the ball, but the jack's maxed out. So I gotta roll the forward back and lift the front of the trailer up. So I'm gonna get this hooked up and get on the way up to Greenbrier. I'll get with y'all here in a minute. Alright guys, so I got the four-wheeler loaded up. I don't know if y'all can see it, hold on. Y'all can see it back there. Back there. I got it loaded up, got it strapped down, and I'm gonna head to the car wash, and I will see you guys when we get there. Give you kind of a quick before and after. This thing has been sitting in a shed. I think they said 4 or 5 years. So I'm kind of anxious to see what happens, you know, what it looks like, you know, since it has been well taken care of. It hadn't been parked in the sun and such as that. So I'll see you guys when we get up there. Alright guys, so we're here at the car wash. I'll give you a quick before how dirty this thing is. It had a seat cover on it, that's why the seat's not that bad. Okay guys, so I got it washed off, and you can see here, like I was talking about, I mean, you know, a hand wash would probably do it a lot of good. But still, I mean, pretty impressive, you know. You know, people talk about how well they take care of their stuff and such as that, but this goes to show. I think he said this is a 2000 model or somewhere in there, and other than a few, you know, a few things like the seam on the seat being ripped and such as that, it is still very nice. Now it is still wet, you know, so I'll show y'all again when we get home. Hold on. I will show y'all again when we get home, when it kind of dries. But this goes to show, you know, you actually take care of your stuff, and your stuff will stay looking nice. So I'm gonna head back to the house. I'm gonna take the long way around, try to dry this thing off, and then roll it in the shop and see if we can get started. Okay guys, got it back home. As you can see, I mean, still, plastics are pretty nice. Even the stickers, you know, the seat, all pretty nice on this thing. Well, like I was talking about with the rear end, got jacked up. It's in gear right now, as you can hear there. So we're gonna look and see. I'm gonna tear into this thing and see if I can figure out what that is, and see if I can get an idea. So I will keep you guys updated. Okay guys, so as you can see, I got it most of the way torn down, and this bearing has a little bit of slack in it. That side has a whole lot of slack in it, but as you can see, as you can hear there, this is in gear, so that is, you know, shouldn't be hearing that. But I got the brakes took off, had two, let's see, four 12mm bolts right here. You don't need to take those out. Right here, that takes this, I guess it's like a retainer plate off, and then the backing plate comes off after you get the drum off, the axle nut, and then the washer. The axle nut is a, you can see, 15/16. And I believe that is it. All I have left to do now is to pull the axle out, I believe. I got to figure out how to get which side this comes out of. I believe it goes that way, but if so, I got to figure out how to get this, whatever this is, off. But it kind of looks like it's made to the axle. So yeah, it kind of looks like it's made to the axle. So I'm going to do some research, but I'm going to go in because it's starting to get dark and get ready for Christmas tomorrow. So I'll keep y'all updated, guys. So this is the same clothes I'm wearing in tomorrow's video because I am filming tomorrow's video right now, actually. This is Christmas Day, so, but I forgot to do an outro for that video. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope y'all have a great day. If you like today's video, please leave a like and comment down below. Hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon, that way you get notified when I post a video. Again, hope everybody had a Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays if you don't celebrate Christmas. Thanks for watching, guys.